Hi, have you been feeling emotionally low lately? Unusual body pain, especially in your legs? This is not imagination. This is because of the full moon arriving tomorrow, May 1st. And this is not ordinary. It's Buddha full moon. Yes, friends, whether you believe it or not, your mind, your body, and your energy have already been responding to it. So let us understand this logically first. What happens during a full moon? Well, during the full moon, our emotions feel a high surge, and that's because of the gravitational pull. When the 70% of the earth's surface is water, it's also that 70% of the human body is water, and that's why you feel the emotional intensity increasing, sleep cycles getting disturbed, and your nervous system feeling more sensitive. And that is why many people experience anxiety, joint or leg pain. This is not weakness, this is your nervous system becoming more receptive towards this energy. Now let's talk about why this full moon specifically occurring tomorrow on May 1st is more powerful. Yes, friends, this is not an ordinary full moon but a Vaishak full moon. It's also called as flower full moon or Buddha full moon and is the same cosmic alignment during which Buddha attained enlightenment. Not just that, he was born on this day, he attained enlightenment on this day, and he also left for his heavenly abode on this same day. So, what is happening is the cosmos is aligning to create this particular portal or energy. So, this full moon carries the energy of clarity, awakening, and deep inner healing. Think of it as a cosmic reset window. Now, here is what most people miss the opportunity. When emotions arise, they mistakenly suppress them. Understand that this is the stored pain that your body is trying to express, which is very important for you to release. Memories of trauma, old pain, we need to let them all go so that we can invite this new energy important for our healing. Conditions like diabetes, hormonal imbalance, and fatigue, they are not just the symptoms of your body, but this is because of the emotional patterns, the feelings that you have been hiding for a long time, and the pattern that is blocking your growth, your success, your emotional imprints, and the lifestyle conditioning that you have adapted to since a long time. And during full moon, all this comes to the surface. The reason being, it's letting you know that you are carrying this burden, the baggage unnecessarily, and now it's time that you release. That's why letting go is going to be an important part of this practice or ritual during the full moon. So, friends, when you consciously let go of the old patterns that are not serving you anymore, when you release that pain, the traumatic old memories that have been holding inside you and giving you more pain, when you realize it's of no use sticking to those past memories which are giving you pain, you start creating space. So you enter into a calm and receptive state. It is this phase when the universe blesses you and you let that new energy enter inside your aura, inside your phase. So the healing starts at deeper level. So yes, you can say this is not magic, but this is alignment. And The full moon energy simply magnifies it. This is exactly what I'm going to do with all of you tomorrow. I'm hosting this event called Live Buddha Activation during the full moon, May 1st, 7 pm, where I'm going to do all this. Make a list. A powerful release process. Letting go of emotional and mental baggage. A deep relaxation and healing meditation, and a manifestation practice to align your health, wealth, and your success goals. So, this is not just going to be an ordinary informational session, but this is going to be an experience. Now, think of this, entering the month of May being more lighter, calmer, clearer, and emotionally stable. Imagine your body healing better, responding better to the situations, and your mindset shifting towards healing. This shift starts consciously in a moment, and this is the moment of the full moon. So, if you have been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or simply looking for a change, this is going to be your moment. Join me for Buddha full moon activation on May 1st, 7 pm. The details of the registration, you can go through the link down there, visit the page, enroll in the program, and don't forget to join the WhatsApp community, specially dedicated for all you healing lovers who are looking for a change, for a transformation, and go ahead removing all the blocks. Just success, growth, and happiness, abundance. I'll see you inside. Don't miss this. Some opportunities are created by us, but this one is given to us. So use this opportunity and achieve what you want.